We're going to get the latest now on that measles outbreak.
An increasing number of parents who won't vaccinate their children.
Despite science showing over and over there's no link between autism and vaccines.
The debate over vaccines has gone viral, and now it's political.
This is far too serious an issue to be treated as a political football.
86% of patients who contracted the disease had either been unvaccinated or had unknown vaccination status.
But I do think we want to make sure we continue to let parents make these decisions for their kids.
The spike in measles cases nationwide has potential 2016 presidential contenders weighing in on the issue.
I think vaccines are one of the greatest medical breakthroughs that we have. But, for most of our history, they have been voluntary. So I don't think I'm arguing for anything out of the ordinary.
I could say is that we vaccinate ours. So what I said was that there has to be a balance. And it depends on what the vaccine is, what the disease type is, and all the rest.
Oddly enough, it has House leaders agreeing on something.
Well, I don't know that we need another law, but I do believe that all children ought to be vaccinated.
The fact is that children should be vaccinated.
President Obama is siding with the CDC and urging parents to get their kids vaccinated.
We've looked at this again and again. There is every reason to get vaccinated. There aren't reasons to not get vaccinated.
Are you telling parents you should get your kids vaccinated?
You should get your kids vaccinated.
But during the 2008 presidential election, then Senator Obama wasn't as confident in the science behind these vaccines.
Where we've seen just a skyrocketing autism rate. Nobody knows exactly why. There's some people who are suspicious that it's connected to vaccines and triggers, but this person included. The science right now is inconclusive, but we have to research it.
So what are the people saying? According to the Pew Research Center, 68% of adults say vaccines should be required. 30% say parents should be able to decide. But when it comes down to politics, the numbers don't necessarily break down along party lines. 76% of Democrats, 65% of Republicans, and 65% of independents say that vaccines should be required. 22% of Democrats, 34% of Republicans, and 33% of independents say parents should be able to decide about vaccinations. As politicians continue to jump into the controversy, the number of voices for and against vaccines will continue to grow.